Hey, Slingshot, how's it going, pal?
Go away!
Why not?
Because all of it is horrible already. I don't want to get even more worse.
You've been sitting here the whole day. Just go and do something already.
Okay, you just want to run your ass.
Oh, hey, Marbles.
Hello.
Did it work?
She got kidnapped.
What? You're talking right? Is she in the helicopter?
Yeah.
So telling me you just let him get her and didn't even try to stop them?
Yep.
Fine.
Limey, what's wrong? You look scared.
There was a spooky ghost and it really spooked me. Is it still here?
Ghosts don't exist, Limey.
Wait, you're right. I shouldn't be afraid of them.
Oh, you're in luck! Have you ever watched Battle for Limbs Money?
Original prize, moron.
I don't prefer anyone hosting but you.
Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna go home.
Well, that was fast.
I swear to God, if someone else comes and forces us to compete in their show instead.
Would you want to compete in my show instead?
Are you kidding me?
I still want to compete. I got a funny nuke button.
Oh, I guess you're better than the first one.
Well, I promise to make it interesting.
I'm going to kill myself.
Probably shouldn't say that.
I don't care. I say whatever I want to eat.
Ouch, what was that for, girl?
Stop.
So why you just decided there's no one to recover?
Well, I can't recover people, so I guess they're automatically out.
Also, Glenn just died.
Okay, wow, I know you killed him. Wow, thank you.
Whatever, dude.
And you recover status on the island.
A total 0.
Bye!
Huh? Where even am I? Contestants? Bloody hell, this building is tall. Well, I guess I'll have to go down there to check if they're even alive. They're all dead. Well, I'll guess I get to keep the credit card. Oh, wait, there's a recovery center. What do you mean I have to pay? Well, he did say that money is limitless, so... Axe, marble, slingshot, limey, gag, and, glasses.
Where am I?
Alright, contestants, here's your first contest.
Wait, is this an object show?
Plus, what do you think?
I don't know.
It's not obvious enough.
I'm sorry, but anyways, is it a hot dog eating contest, perhaps?
No, it's actually to get to the top of that building. Sounds easy, right?
That building? But I don't even see the top of it. It's above cloud levels.
Moving on, I'll count down to 3. 1...
Are you serious? The only good option was already taken?
So, like, we could all agree that everyone was going to use the elevator.
Yep.
There's another elevator, idiots.
No, wait, what? Oh my god, dude. I got an idea. Hey, what are you doing? Whee! Oof. Wow, I can see the top from here. Oh my god, bro. Don't you even dare.
Just go
Fine.
So where are you going? You don't want to be up for elimination, right?
I don't really want to compete in the show. The brand's actually useful, but no, he left. Cool. Now I'm gonna find Nuke Button.
Yes, I made it. Hey, Topper, I'm he. Oh, he is still in the elevator. Hey, stop
I'm not
following
even
me!
you, that's the only staircase in the building.
Damn, you're right. Oh wait, the challenge.
Ow, 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 ouchie, ow.
It'll be better if you would be the first boot.
My leggy early.
Huh. Oh, hey, Marble and Glasses.
Hey, life, sir.
So,
Wait, shouldn't Topper get here before you two?
Wait, is he not here yet? Oh, there she is.
Sorry, I was just getting coffee.
doesn't matter. The other day allowed for elimination anyways.
What? There won't be any voting. You guys are eliminated for not completing the bloody challenges.
Oh.
I'm first to reach the top, yes! You're kind of wrong. Shut up!
Well, it's either G or Axe getting eliminated either way.
Well, guess I'm gonna broke it like so no he's safe.
Slingshot, I know damn well you're the one who broke it.
Well, what are you going to do about this, short leg? That's what I told.
That's more like it. Anyways, we might bring the purple one up here.
Sure, why not?
Is she still safe though?
Yep.
This is just awesome.
Holy cow, you're heavy, dude.
My bad.
Well, since Go was the last one to get to the top, that means Axe is out of the game.
Okay, I think this show is actually good now.
Where even is Axe?
I don't know.
Oh.
Also worth mentioning, the last time me and Mom visited the city, the building wasn't here.
Well, they could have built while you guys were gone.
Sure.
Wait, did you see that?
See what?
Yeah, we didn't see anything, sorry.
I've been walking for a little long enough. Maybe I should probably come back? Is that Rando? Hey, is that Nuke Bun? Well, at least it didn't make you look too fun, or...
Where do you think you're going?
What? Fine, I guess. I'll wait a little more.